My name is Najib Shakkour. I am here to present our innovation tool. We name it is Blind Vision. But before we start, can you please close your eyes and tell me what you can see? Nothing, right? Now, can you imagine if you will keep your eyes closed forever? That feels bad. The blind people around the world have that feeling always, and they need someone to tell them what's happening around. So our idea is to create a tools by Microsoft technology to help these people and open the visual world around them. I will let my colleague introduce that tool now.
Yeah, thank you. It is indeed quite different life for a blind person. You have much more struggles in your life, like you don't see that fire is burning in your house, that this person is pointing a gun at you, or even the good things in life, like emotions of your friends or family. Najib, let's talk about some statistics, which are not that positive, but we need to talk about them. Currently, in the world, there is 36 million blind people, and this number is going to increase over the years. So it is estimated that it will triple by the 2050. So the amount of people that are in need, in struggle, and constant fear of unknown is going to increase. And another harsh truth is that fourth of these people are employed. So it is really difficult to find a job with this disability. So we hope that with our solution, our problem, we can make it more easier for them to live their lives and be a little bit much closer to normal vision. So the use cases that our solution will be implemented in could be like crowded places. For a blind person, it's quite difficult to move in these situations. So if you have a tool that notifies you that in front of you are a lot of people, you will be more aware. As I talked before, you will also need a face recognition, which will identify your friends or relatives, and it will also tell you the relationship between this person, like it's your family, it's your friend, and so on. Another situation might be dangerous situations. So our tool will prevent these kind of situations because the blind person will be more aware. And lastly, when the bad situations appear, they can call emergency by using a SOS button. This will notify going to help this unfortunate person. So this is the high-level process of our implementation. Basically, we have a smart glass. This could be Microsoft HoloLens. And there will be several buttons that will be used. So basically, we need to take a picture. With this picture, also GPS data is sent to our web app. And from that, the image file is sent to cognitive services. These cognitive services are Azure API, which uses different APIs, like face recognition, emotion recognition, and it spits out image tags like this person is happy or not, this situation is dangerous. Then we run the process of manipulating this data and figuring out what's important and what's not. We then send it to the cloud database, which is connected to other blind people. So this data is shared. For example, if you go to some location, a blind person can already know that this location is not friendly for blind people, or there are other dangerous situations there. So after the data is processed, we send the audio file with the information the blind person needs. For example, this place is dangerous, or you see your friend Tom or something. So this person becomes more aware, and this can also be used in job situations, so that will improve its employment of this person. So basically, I will give a hand to my colleague who will introduce the demo.
Yes, so this is the prototype of our tools. It's like a camera and some buttons can help. So I will run now some demo. So here is simulation for our tool. I will try it live now. I need a slide for the photo. Let's take time.
A 43 years old man wearing glasses and smiling.
Yeah, I'm 32 by the way, but so small bike. So here and here you can know your relative, your friends. We can register these faces in somewhere in database. Here I will try. I get some photos, so we can try because nobody accepted to get live here. So let's say this one.
A hand holding a knife. Probably, you are in dangerous situation. Be careful. If you need help, press SOS button.
So the blind will get this information. So if you need help, really, you can just press SOS button.
We have sent a message with your location to your emergency contact.
So in this case, the relative, registered relative, he will receive SMS message with the location, so he can find that person easy. I will try to get some.
A hand holding a
Sorry,
knife.
wrong button.
Probably, you are in dangerous situation. Be careful. If you need help, press SOS button.
So I will try something friendly a little bit.
A brown and white dog lying on a bed.
This button also to check the situation, if there is something dangerous, there is some warnings.
The situation seems safe.
So he received like this message, in safe situation, you don't need any SOS. So these tools can help the blind person to know what's around him. If he needs help, he can ask for help. And I can see that our time is just about up to finish. So what I have to say, I'm not sure if we will this challenge or not, but I'm pretty sure this kind of tools will make the blind people more happy and feels good. So I would like to thank you for your time, for attention. Thanks.